a whole 80 rand. You know, my secretary tells me it's better than a 10 rand. But in this economy, you can't even buy 3 units of electricity with 80 rand. The minister mentioned that they cancelled more than 35,000 fraudulent accounts, people that were getting old age grants that was fraudulent. Why couldn't they take that money and add it on to the 26 million old age grants that is currently being spent in South Africa? This is how do you expect our senior citizens to live in dignity with a 80 rand, right? With a 80 rand, Mr. Minister. Come on, man. Now, this is calling for action, and the senior citizens are not going to be happy about this. You are expediting money. You were speaking about SARS, you were speaking about SAPS, you were speaking about the small business. There was more than 1,000 people that sent in their tips. The only person that you mention is the individual with the small businesses. He's also going to get old and he's also going to be taxed on his pension. When were you going to talk about all the stuff that we've been sending through for the senior citizens? And you want to give them a 80 rand. Mr. Minister, this is appalling. This is sad. But we will carry on and we will continue to fight for what is best for our senior citizens.